my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this bomb hair with this custom color colored by the company. You know what I'm saying? Check out In Color Hair. They sell all your hair color needs. They sell 613 wigs, full color wigs, all that stuff. But you guys know that if you're like basic like me and aren't really into colors, they do have some stuff that can work for your girl. And this right here does have some color in it. You know, it's not doing too much, but it's doing enough. So if you guys are interested in watching this tutorial, keep on watching. Look at how smoky my damn hot comb is. Like, these hot combs do not play. Like, I don't know if you guys can see all the smoke, but I just turned the temperature down on it because last time I was filming, when I was editing my video, I seen a lot of smoke. But anyways, guys, this is the wig. I am so excited to apply this wig. I'm just gonna come up close and show you guys the wig. Don't mind that my nails aren't done. I've been wearing acrylics back to back to back, and I have to give my real nails a break to breathe. So y'all, and then look at the color. It came like this. I did not color this wig. It came like this, and it came pre-bleached. I'm going to show you guys now the inside of the wig, and this is maybe like a 13x4 frontal lace front unit. So this is how the inside looks. Voila. So I did go ahead and flat iron it. I barely had to hot comb it or anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off this lace piece. And then I'm going to just adjust the straps that's on the wig. Before I adjust the straps that's on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and cut out all these combs that are inside the wig, like these ones right here. And then there's like another one like right here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut all of those out. Alright, so I went ahead and added the straps to the back of my wig. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. Alright, you guys, so I've now got the wig adjusted to my head, to my likings. I'm now going to go ahead and cut off all the excess lace and cut around my ears as well. Now I'm just going to cut off the perimeter with my lace. And I'm just going to go ahead and begin to put my layer of glue on. I'm only going to be doing one layer of glue today just because I just took off a wig. So I don't want to overpower my skin with too much glue. So I'm only going to be putting one thin layer. And this is my So Melted glue. You guys can purchase this glue on my website. And it'll be in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm just going right down my hairline. Voila, 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 voila. And I'm just gonna clean it up like that. And of course, once the glue turns clear. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put down that layer. Put down that lace. What am I be saying some retarded stuff. I know y'all be watching my videos and just be like, is she remedial? Because I would say like the complete opposite of what I'm trying to say. And there it is. That's the first layer. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this. That's the first. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright guys, please don't judge how busted my melt pan is. Like, I have a bunch, but they're all like busted. Make sure you guys are washing your melt pans. Don't be like me. So I'm now gonna just push the hairs out of my face. I know you better get out of my face. And I'm doing the same this side. It actually looks really, really good. It's so hot. It looks really, really good without any baby hairs. So now I'm gonna take my Slickum spritz and I'm gonna spray it on my finger, and I'm just gonna tap along the lace, and this is gonna give it that extra melt. This is gonna give it that extra that extra melt that it needs before I do my edges. And I'm gonna use my melt band to lay it down so it can melt in some more. And I just went ahead and flipped it like that. And now I'm gonna let this sit on my forehead for about 10 minutes or so. Alright you guys, so it's been at least 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the band and just show you guys this melts. You know what I mean? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and begin to do my baby hairs. To begin with, these are the 3 things that I use for my baby hairs. Alright, you're gonna need your baby hair glue, purchased from CHAR. And you're gonna need your brush. This was actually sent to me by the company. And then you're going to need a razor for the baby hairs. Oh, and last but certainly not least, and very much most important, you're gonna need your skinny curling iron. Okay, do you see how skinny this is? All right. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part out all my baby hairs. So I am gonna do a front swoop because I love my front swoops, and my front swoops just make me feel like me. So all right, so this will be my front swoop piece, right? And I usually don't curl my front swoop piece, but I'm gonna be a little different today, and I'm gonna actually curl it and see what it looked like. Okay, so this is the first thing that I would do is I would cut my scissors. I would cut them a long length. This is just because when you cut, I'm actually gonna cut it a bit shorter. When you cut your baby hairs too short, when you're using the curling iron, you can accidentally burn yourself. So that's why I am very careful. And now I am just curling the hair all the way up to close to my scalp, like I can feel the heat. And I'm letting that sit like that. I'm not gonna take it out yet. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my little corners. You know I love the little corners. I always say that this is my favorite. This and my sideburn are my favorite baby hairs to do. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna pull out a little bit more hair. Also, you guys, this hair was actually pre-plucked, very, very nice. So all in one, like, I'm really loving this wig. They did not disappoint at all. And this is my first time ever collabing with In-Color Hair. And this company also has a lot of different colors, wigs, like that's why it's called In-Color Hair. They have a lot of different colors, vibrant colors, burgundy wigs, blonde wigs. But if you guys know me, you guys know I'm very, very basic. I don't like bright colors, but this wig fits me absolutely perfect. So I'm just getting a little closer. And oh, I'm gonna let that go. And then there was that baby hair. I'm gonna take a little picture so I can do like a before and after my baby hairs. All right, y'all, now that my baby hairs look like a chicken, like curly fries, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to do each one. So first I'm gonna do this one, which is my front swoop, and I'm just gonna cut very, very short to long. That's gonna be the first one, and then I'm going to take my baby hair glue and voila. I'm just gonna start swooping it. Just like that. So that will be my first baby hair right there. Boom. And now I'm going to do my sides. Oh, I forgot to cut. I'm retarded. So now I'm just going to trim out. Hold on. It's more. I'm actually going to leave this one curled like that. I'm going to trim out my side piece. And again, I'm going to take a dab of my gel, and I start from right here. Wow. 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 I'm gonna leave that little curl piece like right here, just like that. Trying something different. It looks cute. I like how it's dyed and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna focus right here now. All right, so now I'm just gonna let it regular dry. I actually don't want to flatten it out too much. I don't want to flatten it out too much, so I'm just gonna let it air dry just like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling out the rest of my hair. My hair is already parted to my liking, so I'm just gonna put some makeup down my part and clean it up with also some mascara. So before I put the makeup down my part, I'll just bring it in more, just like that. And then I will take my thin brush and my Kiss face powder, and I'm just gonna go like that. Then I'm going to take my spritz and spray that out. Then I'm gonna take my sleekness spray and I'm just gonna spray out that top. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and lay it down. Just like that. And I'm gonna also hot comb up here. And then I'm finished. So this is the finished look. This is the finished look of how everything looks. So this is how the hair looks once it's all finished. And I think it looks so good. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is. So it comes to like right at my hip right here. I'm not sure on the length because I lost the bag, but I'll double check for you guys. I have the link listed in the description box just in case I'm incorrect. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the color. Let me know what you guys feel about the wig and the baby hairs, all that good stuff. Comment down below more companies that you guys want to see me work with and any new videos that you guys want to see me do or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and make sure you guys check out In Color Hair.